what's good? It's your girl DJ. It's your girl DJ. It's your girl DJ. I am back with another video, and this is the synthetic unit, okay? I know. I was shocked too, though. When I got done the whole install, I was like, wait, is this not? Is this really? Are we doing this right now? Is this really synthetic? What? This is really synthetic? Yes, it's synthetic, and I know it's got so much body. It's got a natural shine and luster, y'all. And I'm just out of words, y'all. So if you guys want to see me install this unit, don't forget to stay tuned. Also, if you're not already subscribed, got your notifications on, do all that good old jazz. We're doing another review, and this is a synthetic unit. This is the melted hairline lace front unit, and yeah, this is by Outre. I think this is my first time actually I don't know, y'all. I do so many wigs, I don't know, but anyway, this is an Outre unit, and it looks like this. All right, so this is the overall look of this unit. Okay, I can run my hands through it. Okay, it's like a loose curl. It's not too tight. So yeah, that's the first look of it. This is the construction of it. It does give you a guideline. This is not a full lace, as you guys can see. It's just lace portion right here and along with the part. So it does give us a comb over here, a comb over here. Also give us an elastic band. This is new for me because I've never seen a synthetic unit with a, you know, elastic band. So I'm quite interested to see how this holds up. Also, it does come with the comb at the nape as well. And it does come with drawstring. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my head right now. Alright guys, so she is looking on fire. Y'all already know. As soon as I put on the lace, like, I can tell whether it's gonna be a good unit or not. I don't have the drawstring in the back secured, and it still feels freaking good. Oh my gosh, y'all, we about to have a winner already. But this is the frontal of it. This is the portion of it. Okay, and it really looks good. It looks amazing to be like a melted hairline, like sleek. So yeah, I think it's really cute. This is how much space you do have to work with though. So I was contemplating on going in and plucking it. Of course I'm gonna add foundation on it, but I think I want to go in just to customize the hairline just a little bit, pull some of it out so it can look flatter. I know it's tricky though with synthetic hair, because sometimes when you be doing all that plucking and you be thinking it's doing something, and then you come back, you be like, wait. And like I just say, I slightly went in and plucked. You don't need to, but it probably is not even noticeable what I did, because I'm like, I just really want to leave it as is. I didn't really want to, you know, maneuver it, you know, too much. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and just put a little bit of heat on it so everything can get out the way when I do secure it down, because I do put the elastic band on, elastic band on, and it is pretty snug up in this area, but on the side here is where it is lifting. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my wax stick, and we're gonna go ahead and place it all over the unit. This is actually optional, y'all. I did this out of habit. I'm used to working with virgin hair units, so I just literally put it on my synthetic unit. I didn't realize it till afterward, because like I said, sometimes you just do stuff out of habit, and I honestly liked it, y'all. I honestly loved it. Okay, it didn't make it look overly shiny. It eventually just dried up and looked normal, but sis, it's made the hair just look more realistic. Or is that a word? Anyway, it made it look more realistic. So yeah, I'm gonna put some concealer on the part because foundation just doesn't do it. I love to be, you know, I just love for my part to be seen. Okay, I feel like if you can see your part, then okay, I don't know where I was going at with that, but anyway, I'm just cutting off the lace. This is a Swiss lace, by the way, and I love these types of lace, especially on these melted hairline units, okay, because it's just freaking popping. Also, they do include the baby hairs, y'all. I'm gonna pull them out, but I wanted to show you guys what the unit would look like without me, you know, not pulling out the baby hairs. So super duper excited, but yeah, so this is what it looks like right here. I'm just detangling it because y'all know I just cut off that lace, and I just want to make sure, you know, all the hair, loose hair is out. Also, I did go in and pluck it a little bit, so I did want to make sure, you know, anything, you know, still hanging around is pulled out or combed out. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and secure it down just on the sides like I mentioned in the previous clips with the elastic band. And I feel like that's so genius. Like, I don't know if I'm late to the hair game. I know I probably am when it comes to synthetic anyway, because I'm more so doing virgin hair units. But the fact that they added an elastic band, like, sis, they are freaking on it. Now, I don't know if it's all companies, but I'll try. Good job. I really love the elastic band on this one. It makes the front portion of my unit very snug. You low-key can wear it glueless without, you know, securing down the sides, but it depends on how you're styling it. And if you're going outside, if it's windy, you just want to look cute, okay? You don't want the sides flapping off, so that's why I decided to, you know, melt it down. And I just, you know, for my sake, I didn't want it to slide or anything, but I like for my wigs to sit on a certain place in my head, so I just put a little bit of that spray in this section in the middle as well. So I did let it sit in my silk scarf, and this is what it looks like, y'all. This hairline is fire, okay? I'm just like, what? I noticed that I was contemplating on leaving it like this, y'all, ending the video right here and stopping, but y'all know how I am, and I just ended up putting baby hairs. Like, I could have just put 2 sweeps on the side, and it could have been cute, but y'all know me. My comfort zone is baby hairs, but I want to be able to bring you guys videos without me adding baby hairs, because, like, sis, I'm not being fair. There's a lot of people who know how to do baby hair, so I wanted to show you guys a seamless install as well, without adding them. I just feel like baby hairs go the extra mile, and they just make it just look a little bit more realistic. So yeah, just got an angle and just gonna put some got to be glue on my edge brush and just swoop doop. So y'all, this hairline is so fire. So I'm gonna continue to do that, and I'm gonna be back to show you guys the final look, and also the update and how I feel about the hair and stuff like that. Y'all gonna have to excuse my camera settings on this video, because honestly, I don't know what my camera was doing that day. It was just lighting all over the place, and it was just not focusing. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and I'm freaking obsessed with this unit, okay? I did not expect for it to look like this. Like, I wasn't expecting it to do anything of this sort. Like, sis, this is on my grown woman-ish. This makes me look, you know, and it makes me excited, because I'm like, once we out of this quarantine, we can go out and we can, you know, look cute on a budget, okay? We can look cute on a budget. So really freaking obsessed. When I tell you guys obsessed, like, I'm thinking this is a whole virgin hair unit, and it's synthetic. Like, I cannot right now. This unit is so, okay, let me stop saying that, but it's so fire. Outre is coming for Bobbi Boss's hair, okay? They really did the dang thing with this unit, and I'm telling you, with the lace portion of it, sis, I don't know if they took some notes from Bobbi Boss, but they coming for their next. They coming definitely for the next, and I'm just here for it. I'm just here for it, because this hairline is just popping. Like, synthetic units, they just not playing anymore. They say, y'all, we got y'all, okay? Y'all can look good on a budget. They got us. So I love that it came with the part. If you struggle with parting like I do, they got you. The only thing that I did was add more foundation to it, just to have a seamless install. I showed you what it looked like prior to me adding baby hairs. Y'all know I just do that. I tried just to secure down to just try to secure down the sides, because honestly with the elastic band on the back, it makes the front perimeter right here very, very snug. So you just will need to secure down the ear tab portion of it. But y'all know I do what I do. I had some baby hairs and I called it a day. So really, really obsessed with this unit, y'all. This moves. It has volume. Like, sis, this is freaking virgin hair. Like, this just mimics it, and I love that it doesn't have that. Now it doesn't feel like virgin hair. I ain't gonna sit up here in front and say it feel like virgin hair, but it doesn't feel like that synthetic-y, nappy stuff that we used to back in the day. It feels very, very good and very, very of good quality. I have a few tangles here and there. That's expected. Like I said, this unit is synthetic, so you know you're gonna have a few tangles here and there. As far as shedding, I did get shedding as well, but y'all know when I go and customize my unit, and I did a little bit of plucking, just a snap, just a little bit. So I'm pretty sure most of the shedding was coming from me cutting the lace off and also going into the unit and plucking it. So overall, this lace is freaking popping. I'm freaking here for it, y'all. I'm freaking obsessed. Like, they just did this. They just snatched my life in half, okay? They just snatched it. Kudos to Outre, because they did it with this unit. So if you guys enjoyed and liked this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down below. And yeah, until next time, stay safe, stay home, wash your hands, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.